Greetings, classmates. I'm excited to have the opportunity to walk you through my updated portfolio for the MS Learning Technology and Design. As in the past, my About Me page includes a picture as well as a brief personal and professional bio. On the top right of the screen is the updated information for LTDE 5330, Professional Development for Technology Integration. I begin this portion of my portfolio by listing all of the course outcomes that we have been working on addressing. The first assignment that I uploaded is the Collegial Coaching Personal Reflection. This assignment really gave me the opportunity to reflect on what I knew about myself and how I could be a better coach. One of the things that this opportunity highlighted for me the most was my need to work on building relationships during my coaching sessions. I tend to get down to business pretty fast and jump into getting work done, but in order to be a successful coach, I know that I need to build strong relationships. And so this was an opportunity for me to think through how I can better do that. And what that wound up looking like for me was when I was preparing for my coaching sessions, I would think through questions I could ask individuals to better get to know them and to strengthen our coaching relationship. This ranged from, tell me where you worked before you came here, for those who I'd never met before, or even questions about their previous assessment experience or things that were going on in their department. I think this really helps set a good tone for my coaching sessions. The next tool that I uploaded is the presentation of an innovative professional development tool. This assignment was on the website Writable, which I have embedded right here. Writable is a great tool in my mind because of how many assignments there are already built, which would hopefully save an instructor a little bit of their precious time. You're able to sort by grade level and content area. But my favorite aspect of this is the peer review that is built in there. I know that we've all experienced peer review and are experiencing it right now as we watch these videos. And I think peer review done well is such an important and impactful aspect of learning and growing. And so I like the way that Writable builds in peer review opportunities. I also like the way that rubrics can be used within Writable. They can be used for grading as the instructor, but they can also be used to guide students through the assessment and can also help the peer reviewer as they review the work done by their fellow student. And lastly is the collegial coaching reflections that I completed upon finishing all of my coaching sessions. The biggest takeaway from from this reflection opportunity was the importance of selecting coachees who are open to collaboration and to growth. Most of those that I met with were very open to that. I did encounter an individual who just wanted me to tell him what needed to be done next in order for him to be successful, and he wasn't willing to participate in the collaborative process. So in the future, I hope to be able to devote more time to those who want to collaborate with me. So thanks for listening. I'm glad to have had the opportunity to walk through this course with all of you, and I look forward to seeing your portfolios.